Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you the number one app that every forex trader should have on their phones. It will definitely change your life as it changed mine, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get you started with the app. So you'll have to navigate to your app store or your Play Store if you're using Android. In my case, I'm using an app store. And then you just click on search. And then you just type Swiss Forex. There you go. Then you just scroll down a little bit. You can see it's the one there that looks like a Swiss flag, Swiss Forex. You can see it also has a very high rating, guys. The rating is very, very high. So for me, it's saying I must just open because I already have it downloaded. So for you, if you don't have it on your phone, it will say download or it will say get the app. So you will download this app and then you will just go and look for it. So for me, there it is sitting right there next to my MetaTrader 5. And then you open the app. Okay, great. So this will be the home screen. So you don't have to subscribe, guys, or anything, or register with an email. So as you will see, if you navigate at the top left of the screen, so even with me, I am not logged in. It's saying log into FX community. I am not logged in, but I'm able to access most of the things that are really, 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 really important with this app. Great. So what cool things can you do with this app? So the number one thing that I like to use this app for is for the price alerts. So the price alert is a very cool feature that this app has. So what you do, you just go to price alert. I think it's the fourth one from the top left. Click on price alert. And then there at the bottom left again, you just click on add alert. And then you will click at whatever currency that maybe is on your watch list. So let's say if you are watching a particular currency and you want to know when it reaches a particular price so that you can decide whether you want to enter the trade or you're not going to enter the trade, or maybe you want it to alert you when it has hit your stop loss or when it has hit your take profits. Because as we may have experienced, guys, sometimes the market, especially when it's too much volatile, sometimes it can skip your stop loss and it's not executed because maybe the market is moving very, very fast. As a result, your broker is not able to execute your stop loss, and then you continue to go into losses until you blow your account. Or sometimes the market can reach your stop loss, your take profit, but your take profit is not executed, and then the market reverses against you and then you are back into losses. So this app is very cool in avoiding situations like that. So when you enter into a trade, you can just come here. So let's say you were trading Great British Pound USD. You can leave it on the bid, and then you just choose here whether it's greater or equal to a particular price. So let's say you want to know when the Great British Pound USD is greater than, and then you just come down here to price on the white side, just click on it, and then you just set the price. So let's say you want to know when it's greater than 1.39828, for example. Then you just click on done, and then you just add alert. Great. So you will see there's the second one there, it's saying in progress, so which means it has not yet happened. So if the price does exceed that 1.39828, it will give you a push notification with a sound on your phone, so that even if maybe you are not on your MetaTrader at that time, you haven't opened, you are not looking at your trades, maybe you are doing something else, you are watching a YouTube video, or you are on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or you're just watching TV or having a good time, you can get that push notification, and then you just go to your phone to check what is going on, so that if, for example, it was supposed to take your profit and then it didn't take your profit, then you can manually take your profit. If it was supposed to hit a stop loss and it did hit a stop loss and you're continuing to be deep into losses, then you can manually execute that stop loss. Or maybe if you're just watching the market, maybe you had put a pending order, so you can just go and confirm whether that pending order was executed. So that is a very, very, very cool feature about the price alert. And then, so after an alert has been sent to you, and then it will turn green. For example, if you look at the top we've got the AUD USD. I had put in a alert to let me know when the bid price is above 0.77607. So that happened 12 hours ago. So it turned green. So if you want, you can remove those things from showing up there. Going back again at the bottom right, so where it says height completed, if you click on height completed, see, it's removed. So it's only the ones that must still be in progress that will be showing right now. So it's a very great feature, guys, and I think it can really make a little bit of a difference in your trading career. Okay, so what other cool thing do we have from this app? So you can find that it also has the calendar, so the economic calendars, and you can also do some filtering here. You can filter by the impact of the events, whether you want only the ones that have a medium impact, or you only want the news that will have a maximum or a high impact, or you want all of them, both medium and high impact. And you can also filter here the type of news that you want, or from which countries and which currencies that will be affected do you want to follow. So you can do and undo here, for example, or you can just do all of them, or you can just say all, or you can say none, and so on, and then it will only filter according to those things. So it's also very important, especially for those people who like to trade the news, or for scalpers, or even for swing traders. In fact, when you're preparing for your trades for the week, you can know at which points in time will they be high impact news on the markets, and then whether or not you want to trade during those times when there are the high impact news on the markets. Okay, great. And then there are also some other extra very cool features that come with this app. For example, it also gives you, if you look at the bottom, the fourth line from the bottom, FX market signals. So if you click on FX market signals, so it also gives you very important areas of support and resistance, or where there's been a breakout in an important area of support and resistance, and at what time did that happen, at which pair, and where was that area. So for example, it just tells you here, the top one, the GBP JPY touched the yesterday low at a particular price. So it also gives you some figure levels, highs and low, so you can just click into that, then it will load for you. Just give it a couple of seconds, and there you go. So it just tells you exactly. So this one, it has broken in previous area of resistance at 0.8787. So you can see it just tells you exactly when there's been a breakout. So already you can put this on your, probably on your watch list. So you just wait for a retest and then see if it's gonna go up again. All right. So that breakout is at, it was 0.87878. So you're just waiting for it to retest and then to see. So it's also a very cool feature, which also can give you signals. And then, so there are also some other Forex communities that are here. If you want to join some Forex communities, it allows you to see what are the majority of the other traders doing, what are their trading ideas, and what positions are they taking on particular pairs. So guys, yeah, so I think it's a very good app. It's an all-in-one, so that you don't have to be opening multiple apps. I know some people will have one app to do this and then another app to do that. So this one is kind of like an all-in-one thing, so where you can get almost everything that you need, and almost all the indicators, all the news, all the economic calendars, all the push notifications that you need, all in one app. So please guys, please do download the app, play around with it, find out maybe what other cool features you have discovered which I did not mention in this video. I see there are a lot of interesting things here. I see there are predictions contests, there are dividends adjustments, trading breaks, and so on. So just play around with it, find out what else can you discover, and let me know in your comments. I will try and get back to each and every comment. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, please let us know in your comments what else we can do better to bring you better content. All we are trying to do is to make your trading life as easy and successful as possible. You can also find below the link to our free Telegram channel where we assist people with market predictions and free signals. You can also find right below the link to our most trusted broker. So if you've been scammed by brokers before, you can trade with that world regulated trusted broker.